So the SDGs, yeah, the SDGs means Sustainable Development Goals. The SDGs are Sustainable Development Goals. This is the UN program which has started in 2015 and they are going to end in 2030. So just in terms of timing for our students and every children right now, this is the right timing to learn about it. Anyone can learn about it. Teachers, students, but also individuals, companies, and politics. Everyone. The goals, you have many. I studied personally sustainable cities, but also, for example, life on Earth. You also have zero hunger, gender equalities, quality education, and all of them are actually related, connected. The idea for me for gardening is that nowadays with the environmental situation and issues, I think every single person should know a minimum about how we evolve with plants and how necessary it is to have them around. But when we're talking about plants and plants health maybe, it means you need to know about insects in the soil. And this is something that often students are very scared of as well as their parents. So for me it's very important to break down and just give a right introduction about those creatures, but also environment, and understand the beauty of it. We are going more and more into, climate change, which means like more food insecurity, and food that's the basic of having a healthy person and health, maybe good students, and having like later good education. So we are going to, during the school program for gardening, learn about what can we grow that we know as food, but also what is food, and maybe probably learning about what plants we are not growing really because we are not, either we don't know they are edible or because we are not used to eat them, and slowly try to connect with other culture, for example Aboriginal or indigenous knowledge about plants and foraging. I think the fact that we are starting the school from scratch and the students have this mindset about we can create anything, we can do it now, and by keeping as a framework the SDGs, we are having like a good-willing, kind, but also open-minded mindset for the education and learning from each other. So I'm glad to collaborate with other people, also other of my colleagues that are like helping me with my projects, and this is likewise. And I think just this concept of sharing and trying to, share knowledge between each other, open and being curious to each other is actually the key value in education with Lumière International Academy. You happy?
Okay, so I think